Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is simple, relaxed, and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Hello, everyone. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very common question in English. People ask this question all the time.
Yes, all the time. At work, at school, with friends, even when you meet someone after just 2 days.
The question is, what did you do last weekend?
A very simple question, but a very useful one.
Exactly. When someone asks this, they want to know about your past activities.
They want to know how you spent your weekend.
Did you relax? Did you travel? Did you sleep all day?
Or did you eat a lot of food? Because that is my favorite weekend activity.
I believe that, Mia.
Hey, good food makes people happy.
That's true. Food is always a good topic. But before we talk about last weekend, Mia, how are you today?
I'm good, Alex. I feel relaxed today.
That's nice. Why do you feel relaxed?
Because I drank coffee and I ate a big breakfast.
Ah, breakfast is important.
Yes, I ate eggs, toast, and fruit.
Wow, that sounds healthy.
I try to be healthy, but sometimes I also eat cake.
Sometimes?
Okay, many times.
That sounds more honest.
What about you, Alex? How was your day?
My day is good. The weather's nice today.
I like sunny weather. It makes me feel happy.
Me too. When the sun is shining, I want to go outside.
Yes, maybe go for a walk.
Or ride a bike.
Or just sit in a park and watch people.
Watching people is interesting.
Yes, you see many funny things.
That's true.
Okay, Alex, now let's talk about our topic.
Right. Today we are talking about the question, what did you do last weekend?
This question is very common in English conversation.
People often ask this question on Monday.
Yes, Monday morning at work.
Someone says, "Good morning, how was your weekend?"
And then they ask, what did you do last weekend?
This is a friendly way to start a conversation.
Exactly. It helps people connect.
Let's look at a simple answer.
For example, I stayed home and watched movies.
Or, I visited my family.
Or I went to the park.
Very simple sentences.
Notice something important.
Yes, these sentences use past tense.
Because the weekend is already finished.
So we talk about the past.
Let's show some common verbs.
I watched TV.
I visited my friend.
I cooked dinner.
I cleaned my room.
Cleaning your room on the weekend.
Not very exciting.
But sometimes necessary.
True.
Okay, Mia, let me ask you the big question.
Oh no.
Mia, what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I had a very lazy weekend.
Lazy weekends are the best.
On Saturday morning, I woke up late.
How late?
Around 10:30.
Wow, that is late.
It felt amazing.
What did you do after you woke up?
First, I made coffee.
Good start.
Then I watched a cooking video online.
Did you cook something?
Yes, I tried to cook pancakes.
Tried?
Yes, the first pancake looked very strange.
What happened?
It was too big and a little burned.
That sounds like my cooking.
But the second pancake was better.
Good progress.
And the third pancake was perfect.
See? Practice helps.
Then I ate the pancakes.
All of them?
Yes.
Even the burned one?
I was hungry.
Fair enough.
In the afternoon, I met my friend Sarah.
What did you do together?
We went to a small cafe.
Nice.
We drank tea and talked for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, we talked about work, family, and travel.
That sounds like a good weekend.
It was simple but nice.
What about Sunday?
Sunday was even more relaxed.
Tell us.
I watched a movie at home.
What movie?
A funny comedy movie.
Did you laugh a lot?
Yes, I laughed so much.
Laughter is good for you.
Then in the evening, I called my parents.
That's sweet.
Yes, we talked for about 30 minutes.
Family calls are important.
Yes, they always ask the same question.
Let me guess. Did you eat?
Exactly.
Parents always ask that.
Always.
Okay, Mia, now it's your turn to ask me.
All right, Alex, what did you do last weekend?
My weekend was a little busy.
Busy weekends can be fun too.
On Saturday morning, I went to the gym.
Wow, very healthy.
I tried to be healthy.
How long did you exercise?
About 1 hour.
That's good.
Then I went grocery shopping.
Shopping for food?
Yes, I bought vegetables, rice, chicken, and fruit.
Did you cook something?
Yes, I cooked dinner for my brother.
That's nice.
I made chicken and rice.
Was it good?
My brother said it was good.
Did he say good or very good?
Just good.
Maybe next time it will be very good.
I hope so.
What about Sunday?
Sunday was my favorite day
Why?
because I went to the park.
I love parks.
The weather was sunny.
Perfect.
I walked for about 1 hour.
Did you go alone?
No, I met a friend there.
Nice.
We talked and drank coffee.
Coffee again.
Coffee is important.
Yes, it is.
We also saw a dog playing with a ball.
Dogs are always funny.
This dog ran very fast, but the ball went into a small pond.
Oh no.
The dog jumped into the water.
Really?
Yes, water went everywhere.
That must be funny.
Everyone in the park started laughing.
Dogs make life better.
I agree.
So everyone, you can see how we answer the question, what did you do last weekend?
We talk about activities in the past.
We use simple sentences.
For example, I watched a movie.
I visited my friend.
I cooked dinner.
I cleaned my room.
Let's teach a few useful phrases.
Good idea. Phrase number 1. I stayed home.
Very common.
Example, I stayed home and relaxed.
Phrase number 2, I went out.
Example, I went out with friends.
Phrase number 3, I hung out with my friends.
That means you spent time together.
Talking, eating, or doing fun things.
Phrase number 4, I had a quiet weekend.
This means a calm and relaxing weekend.
No big activities.
Just rest.
Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, write a comment.
In the comments, write, "Hello, Alex and Mia."
This helps you practice English.
And we love reading your comments.
Now let's give some simple tips.
Tip number 1, use simple sentences.
You don't need long sentences.
For example, I watched TV.
I went to the park.
Tip number 2, use time words.
Words like Saturday, Sunday, morning, afternoon.
Example, on Saturday, I visited my friend.
Tip number 3, add small details.
Details make your story interesting.
Example, I watched a funny movie.
Tip number 4, practice speaking.
Ask your friend the same question
What did you do last weekend?
and answer in English.
Practice makes you better. Now let's do a quick recap.
Today we talked about the question, what did you do last weekend?
We shared our weekend stories.
Mia made pancakes,
Some good, some burned.
and I cooked dinner for my brother.
We also learned useful phrases.
Like, I stayed home,
I went out with friends.
and I had a calm weekend.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes, this is your turn.
What did you do last weekend?
Did you watch a movie?
Did you visit family?
Did you sleep all day?
Tell us in the comments. Try to write 1 or 2 simple sentences. For example, I watched a movie and ate pizza.
That sounds like a great weekend.
Pizza always makes weekends better.
I agree.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this conversation helped you practice English.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We make simple English conversations every week.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
And remember,
English can be easy and fun.
see you next time.
Bye, everyone.